bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful.
Yeah, the Bahamas are changing rapidly. You know, the Bahamas are changing a lot here. You know, there's so much money coming, big money. Nothing, there's no expense spared. Huge investments going on here. And so the Bahamas is changing. And not just so, not just here. I mean, here is changing really quickly. But in the southern, it's changing a little bit more too. And you know what, the introduction of internet everywhere has made it, you know, that's a whole other story, guys. The internet here. So look at, I belong to a couple of forums that are, you know, the Bahamian cruise, like the cruisers set up here for us to communicate with one another, to look out for one another, to help one another if they have boat problems, or ask questions how to ship a part in, and
for anything, like any forum.
And yeah, you know, where to anchor, and you know, about the weather and stuff like that. Some people are inexperienced, some are more experienced, and they try to help each other out. But we do have a lot of people complaining, and they're singling people out. So because we live in a world now where everything's being videotaped, don't kid yourself, we may be on a remote island, but somebody's watching us. I don't know what it is. I mean, like, you know, and what's happening is somebody that comes in and anchors too close to somebody, or you know, the person that's pissed off because this guy anchored so close doesn't ask, you know, hey guy, why did you anchor so close? You have trouble or anything like that? They just take a picture of their boat and put it on this social media forum and start crucifying the guy.
Yeah, they slam them. Everybody's got their nose at a joint, it seems like.
And then, you know, they, what do? They, you know, a lot of people support them, and then there's a lot of people that don't support that, and so they start arguing on the forum back and forth, because there's 50% supporting the sacrificial, the sacrificing of a person, and then there's people like myself that do not want that. But so the internet is becoming a problem here, and Jesus, it's kind of upsetting that I may have to, you know, it's too valuable to leave though, because there's a lot of great information. There's places I went to this year that I've never been to before because of that forum.
Yeah.
You know, but
but I think you're going to get that in any type of thing. For example, like the RV community, they're experiencing the same thing.
Yeah, like, you know, everybody's minding everybody else's business. Like, get away from me, man. You know? So that is happening, and it's going to evolve. The fact is, you know, I expect this to happen in every, you know, whether you're, I don't care if you're playing soccer or hockey. It's just there's some people that just crucify. They're happy crucifying everybody else.
Every facet of life, this happens.
Yeah, that's a good way of putting it. Every facet of life. Good, there you go. I like that. Having a, what do you call that? A dictionary beside me? A thesaurus?
No, just a different vocabulary.
A different vocabulary. I can't even spell. As you guys know through my videos, I can't even spell. So, anyways, guys, look at that. This is life right now. It's beautiful. Just stunning. And you know what? I'm happy for the Bahamians. Unfortunately, they won't be able to live on this island because, like, you know, it's like Toronto, you know, the people go to work there, but they can't live there because they can't afford it. Yeah. And this is happening here. So before, you know, Bahamians, you know, could afford to live on this island, they had their little places and whatnot. They, you know, from generation to generation, along comes a hurricane, they sell the property, they either go away to another island, and the ones that stay have to go live on the mainland.
Yeah.
And and then they boat in for work or whatever like that. There's lots of jobs here right now because, you know, of the construction going on.
Yes.
You know, and of course these after the construction's done, these homes are going to need maintenance people full time. Like the business opportunities here are amazing.
But it's just like at home, they want reliable staff. It's no different here than at home.
Yeah.
Lots of people to work, but you want reliable people to show up and be dedicated workers.
Yeah, and these people are willing to pay the money. So
well, they are. For sure they are.
Yeah, because like whoever's these people money's no object.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyways, guys, we're going to relax for a bit, and hopefully we'll show you the sunset soon.
You and me, we meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me.
And not only that, the color of the water here is it's grass over sand. So what happens is they don't get that electrifying blue like this shirt. See this shirt here?
Yeah.
This is a nice blue. Do you like the blue on this shirt?
Yes, I do.
Is it electrifying, or do I make it electrifying?
The shirt is electrifying all on its own, dear, hung up on a hanger. Yes.
See, anyway, that's what I really like, the nice electrifying blue water. The Abacos can't offer that for me until I get way out there. Okay, until I get way out there near the Gulf Stream,
where the sandbars are.
The sun again is a beautiful sunset. Sun, it's not setting yet, but it is setting, but it's just going to take a while. Anyways, guys, look at that. This is life right now. It's beautiful.